In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Odoo accounting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to access the homepage of your Odoo built website. This is where all the magic begins. Make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard. Next, from your Odoo dashboard, navigate to the accounting section. You'll click on Configuration and then choose Payment Providers. This is where we're going to set up Stripe, but hang tight, we're not there just yet. Once you're in the Payment Providers section, look for Stripe in the list of available payment providers. It should be pretty easy to spot. Once you find it, click on the Install button to add this integration to your Odoo account. After installation, don't forget to click Activate to get things rolling. This step is crucial because without activating Stripe, it won't work. Now, here's where it gets exciting. In the Stripe configuration form, find the button that says Connect Stripe. Click that, and this will initiate the process to connect your Odoo account to Stripe. You'll need to be ready to handle some prompts that will lead you to Stripe's login page. As you proceed, if you already have a Stripe account, simply enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can easily create one right there. Stripe will guide you through a brief onboarding process, where you'll describe your business and provide necessary details to authorize the connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. Once you've successfully logged in or created your account, you'll be redirected back to Odoo. At this point, it's essential to ensure that the state is toggled to enabled. If you're still in the testing phase, you can also switch it to test mode, so you can run some trial transactions without making any real charges. And just like that, you have connected Stripe to your Odoo accounting. But before we wrap up, I recommend doing a quick test transaction. This will help ensure that everything is working smoothly. It's always a good idea to verify that the connection has been successfully established and everything is functioning as it should. So, let's summarize what we've covered today. We started from the Odoo homepage, navigated to the payment providers in the accounting section, installed and activated Stripe, connected our account, authorized it through Stripe's interface, and finally ensured that it was set to enabled or test mode. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Connecting Stripe to Odoo can supercharge your accounting workflow, making it seamless and efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy accounting, and see you in the next video.